NIYONKURU Albert is an extraordinary kid with astounding skills and knowledge. One may say he's a discoverer, a scientist, or even more, because his actions are older than he is. Watch closely and you get astonished. He is a role model to his generation. He is overwhelming. Today, we have visited him and he has moved us around his industry where he's currently executing over 10 projects. This is not exaggeration. Watch closely. He's building robots. With his genius ideas, he's dreaming of robots that will help delivering services in hospitals, hotels, and anywhere else. These robots are made of radios and camera. Currently, one of his robots can walk, turn, and bend down to grasp things. His projects are almost at the end. He has made a soil tester, which is expected to help farmers to verify the fertility of their soil before cultivating and planting crops, as he explains. He has made a security alarm. Watch closely. This kid is unique. He has made an internal firefighting system, as he clarifies here. He's making drones, which are actually manufactured by high-educated people. Remember, this guy is just 13. 13. This is amazing. He has made a water dispenser that will be used to distribute water to people in crowded areas. It is made with sensors that people will drink and wash their hands without even touching it. This is amazing. He has made a radio and other materials like multiple chargers and so on. More amazingly, he's even an artist. He paints. Here are over 20 paintings from his hand, all with clear inspirations. See that modern flashlight pitching that he uses when explaining his paintings. This guy is amazing. His actions are innumerable and he is still ongoing. Thanks to his parents, his talents are cherished and encouraged. He's proud of where he is now and he has won a free scholarship in Blue Lakes International School, one of the best schools. These had always been his dreams, and he will be getting facilities to develop his talent and realize his dreams.